game here in Game 6. Lamang ng 10 puntos, 40-30 against Santa Lucia, the team that is leading the series 3-2. Muli po magandang gabi sa kanilang lahat. Nico Halili kasama si Jason Webb as we bring you our halftime report. And Jason, in that first half, Pure Foods coming out with a lot of energy, led by Mark Pingris in that opening quarter. Santa Lucia, on the other hand, a bit tentative. Maybe too excited perhaps, but definitely their outside shooting not working here in the first half.
Well, yung outside shooting nga nila, nabanggit natin, only 3 made from the outside. And you know, para dito sa Santa Lucia, we did mention only 3 guys have been in this situation before. Sure, a lot of them, maganda, pinapakita dito sa finals. Pero yung clincher, that clinching game, that is the hardest game to win in the entire series.
And now, let's click on the web page para makita natin lalo yung the struggles for Santa Lucia and what's going right for Pure Foods.
Para sa Pure Foods, we did say that no layups para sa Santa Lucia. They got 10 points out of layups ng Santa Lucia. Pure Foods doing much better. That's 14. Inside points, Marlo Aquino, Dennis Espino, both guys struggling from to make any baskets from the inside. Sumunod, the bench must contribute. Santa Lucia's bench is doing much better than the Pure Foods bench by 3 points. But remember, Mark Pingris, who has been accustomed to playing in the bench, started out in the starting 5. He had 9 points. That could have been the swing factor. And Pure Foods, yung lineup nila, pinaiiksi na nila. Only 9 players used in the first half. Sumunod naman, Kelly should be missed. Kelly Williams played his regular type of minutes, which is 20 minutes. Pero yung shooting niya, nakita natin, he has had air balls, he has had bricks to go for 2 out of 7 from the field.
Yung mga air balls, hindi lang si Kelly Williams yun, karamihan ng mga malalaro na Santa Lucia has launched an air ball or 2, and that's a big reason why Santa Lucia is trailing in this game. And lalo pa nating aralin itong naging first half for Santa Lucia. Click on the webpage right now, Jason, and what happened to the Realtors in the first 2 quarters.
We said that the trap is the main weapon, and you look at the turnovers. Santa Lucia has more turnovers than Pure Foods. Santa Lucia has decided to sit on that zone, but before they go on that zone, usually nakikita natin nagtatrap sila. They haven't done that in the first half. Sumunod, make free throws count. 8 out of 14 from the free throw line. At one time, they were shooting a shade under 50%, not where they want to be. Finally, stop Kirby and James in the second half. Titingnan natin kung magagawa nila yan. But Kirby and James so far in the first half, hindi maganda ang shooting nila. Sabi nga ni James kanina, medyo naramdaman niya yung konting excitement. And if James is able to adjust and get the feel of the game, nako, malaking problema pa yan para sa Santa Lucia.
Ryan Reyes on your screens. Realtors also wanting to settle down after a tentative first half. Ito mga leading performers after the first 2 periods.
You know, itong Dennis Espino, Kelly Williams, and Ryan Reyes. Dennis Espino, he is the captain ball. He is the one with the most experience with Santa Lucia, so he has to lead the way. Pero pati siya, he has been a victim of a couple of air balls. On the other side, Mark Pingris, really the difference maker so far in this game. Defensively, offensively, he has been there. Then of course, James Yap and Kirby Raimundo.
So muli po, itong Santa Lucia, 1 win away from the championship. They are leading 3-2. Pure Foods, on the other hand, they want to extend the series to Game 7 all the way on Sunday. That was your Petron XDS halftime report. At nagsimula na ang second half dito sa Game 6 of the PBA Finals for the Smart PBA Philippine Cup.
The third quarter scoring. This has been the quarter of Santa Lucia thus far. 30 points usually para sa Santa Lucia, 21 para sa Pure Foods. That is a plus 8.6 para sa Santa Lucia. Let's see if they're still going to be able to rule the third quarter dito sa Game 6.
Meantime, a foul was called on Pitoy Omolo in his third personal as Raimundo goes in and out. Bola na kapit palabas. Last touch on Santa Lucia.
And yet another possession para dito sa Pure Foods. In that first half, Pure Foods had 8 more attempts compared to Santa Lucia, and that was because of their offensive rebounding.
Here's Raimundo. Cross court. Roger Yap inside. And the steal is completed by Kelly Williams. Here's Omolon. Omolon on the move. Omolon blocked from behind. But that's what Santa Lucia wants to do. They want to run. It's something they weren't able to do as much from first half.
But they only had 2 fast break attempts para dito sa Santa Lucia. Yeah, that's too low. Usually 2 fast break attempts para sa Santa Lucia. Para lang sa first 6 minutes of the ball game yan.
Anong mga napag-usapan sa dugout of Santa Lucia, Dominic?
Nico, actually, yung palapit ako dun sa coaching staff, itong si Coach Cholo Martin, umiiling-iling at sabi niya, very bad, very bad. No offense, no defense, very bad. But, alam mo, sabi nga niya, they really need to buckle down dito pagdating sa third quarter. They need to come out strong kung gusto nila manalo in Game 6. Nico?
Sometimes all it takes is a few words to really capture the essence of your performance. And very bad, certainly captures it all. Si Coach Cholo Martin, really playful with words. Piling-pili.
Man of few words.
Man of few but significant words.
So let's see if Santa Lucia, doon pa rin sila. They're still sitting in that zone. It seems in this ball game they're going to live and die with that zone defense.
On the floor para sa Pure Foods, it's Kirby Raimundo, Roger Yap, James Yap, Mark Fingris, and Romel Agugol. And that's a rebound for Ryan Reyes. Reyes on the move. He goes behind the back. Goes to Williams. Williams attacks and misses. Bola nakuha ni Fingris. Mark Fingris, by the way, with 14 rebounds tonight. He has been the difference.
That's right. So Mark Fingris has the 14 rebounds. The other big man that they have, Romel Agugol, although he hasn't scored much, pero ng 10 rebounds.
Ryan Reyes really made sure, and he knew it was coming. Alam niya, sasalubungin siya ni Roger Yap.
Well, you can see in this slow-mo, itong si Ryan Reyes, right there, when he took that skip, he was going to go strong. He knew he was going to get fouled, and he knew that he was going to go higher than Roger Yap.
Nakumpleto ni Reyes ang 3-point play. He has 9 points in the ball game, pero 7 puntos pa rin ang kailangan habulin dito ng Santa Lucia.
Let's see what's going to happen right now. Coming off that free throw, they can trap. Kanina hindi sila makatrap dahil marami silang mintis sa free throw line.
Here's James Yap. Just a smart play over Dennis Espino. Meantime, here's Miranda. Miranda, no! Ferocious action right now here in the third quarter. 9 points ang lamang ng Pure Foods. Here's Raimundo. Raimundo sends it over to Agugol, hands it off to Roger Yap. Roger Yap over to James Yap. James Yap on the left side, swings it over to Roger Yap. And now here's Kirby. Kirby on the move, and he loses the ball. And it's going to stay with Pure Foods.
A lot of bodies flying around, a lot of people saying that they're getting big contact, pero wala masyado tayo nakikita mga pito.
A steal by Ryan Reyes. Here's Miranda. Miranda is fouled.
Gotta be more careful kung ikaw ay Pure Foods. That's a couple of fast break opportunities in the last plays na binigay nila sa Santa Lucia. You can see Santa Lucia, we did show it on the screen. They're a third quarter team and their energy level tumataas na dito sa third quarter.
And as Miranda takes his free throws, pakinggan po natin ng ulat mula kay Eric Reyes.
Well, Nico, kinausap si Coach Ronnie Magsano. Tinanong ko sa kanya, what are you guys doing right in the first half? Sabi niya, kailangan namin ituloy lang yung ball movement versus the zone. He's very happy with in the assist department because they're really sharing the ball. Because it's really very hard to really penetrate and just shoot over the zone. You really have to get a lot of movement and a lot of penetration. Sabi niya, they have to prepare. Kagaya nga nasabi ni Jason, yung big Santa Lucia third quarter rally. Nakikita natin ngayon, mas aggressive sila. So they have to really contain that. And most especially, they have to continue their defense. And that's the only way they can win and survive in this series. Nico?
Maraming salamat, Eric. So even Pure Foods very much aware na pagdating ng third quarter, dito kadalasan rumarantsada ang Santa Lucia as Fingris connects. And that has been a bread and butter play for Pure Foods for the last 3 or 4 years.
Mark Fingris, he knows kung saan siya dapat. He's just lurking around the 3-second lane. And because of his athletic ability, the moment he touches the basketball, isang hakbang lang, nakadikit na kagad yung bola sa ring.
Meantime, Reyes is fouled by James Yap. Second personal laban kay James Yap at yan ang third team foul laban sa Pure Foods. 9 points, yan ang hinahabol dito ng Santa Lucia. They're down 44-35 as Reyes uncorks. You know, offensively speaking, Ryan Reyes has not had a stellar series here para sa Santa Lucia, but he's done other things here for the Realtors.
And this is probably Ryan Reyes' best game so far in the series scoring-wise. His best output before this game para kay Ryan was only 8 points. So 9 na siya ngayon. So okay.